Welcome to Module 2.5, React Fragments. React Fragments are a feature in React that allow you to group multiple children elements without introducing an extra wrapping element in the DOM. This is particularly useful when you need to render a list of items or components without adding additional parent elements in the rendered HTML structure. 1. The need for fragments. In React, when you want to render multiple elements or components, you typically need to wrap them in a single parent element. For example, when rendering a list of items, function itemList, return, div, item equals item 1, item equals item 2, item equals item 3, div, in the code above. The items are wrapped in a div element, which becomes part of the rendered output. While this works, it can lead to unnecessary DOM elements when you want to group items without adding any additional semantic meaning. 2. Using React Fragments. React Fragments provide a solution to this problem. You can use the React fragment element or its shorthand syntax to group children elements without introducing an extra DOM element. Function itemList, return, React fragment, item equals item 1, item equals item 2, item equals item 3, React fragment, or with the shorthand syntax, function itemList, return, item equals item 1, item equals item 2 per, item equals item 3 per, greater than, with React Fragments. You can achieve the same grouping effect without introducing extra HTML elements into the output. 3. Benefits of React Fragments. Cleaner HTML structure. React Fragments allow you to maintain a clean and concise HTML structure. This is especially beneficial when working with lists, tables, or other scenarios where you need to group elements. Avoiding extra CSS styles. By avoiding the introduction of extra DOM elements, you can reduce the need for additional CSS styles to target and style those elements. Improved semantic markup. When you don't need to add extra parent elements solely for the purpose of grouping, your markup becomes more semantically accurate. Reduced HTML payload. In cases where you have multiple fragments in a single component, using React Fragments can help reduce the overall HTML payload, which can improve page load times. React Fragments are a useful tool for improving the structure and efficiency of your React applications, especially when dealing with scenarios that require grouping multiple elements or components without adding unnecessary parent elements in the DOM.